Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can generate 3D cartoon images for free using AI. You'll be able to create any cartoon image that you can imagine. Whatever cartoon image that you can imagine, in as much as you can put it into words, in as much as you can describe that cartoon into words, you'll be able to generate and create such adorable 3D cartoons of that your imagination. So guys, in this video today, I will show you how to bring your imagination to life. You'll be able to convert your imagination into reality, into 3D cartoon images. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the app I'm going to be showing you guys how to use to generate amazing 3D cartoon images. So guys, in this tutorial today, I'll be showing you guys two methods. The first method is going to be the hard way, while the second one is going to be the easy method. So guys, just make sure you watch to the end so that you're not going to miss how to do this easily, and I know you don't want to miss it, so make sure you follow me to the end of this video. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you how you can generate GD2 drawing, realistic figures, fantasy and cute and adorable cartoon images. So guys, now what you have to do now is to first of all enter prompt. You can see what is written there. So guys, what it means to enter your prompt is that imagination that you have, that image that you have in your mind, put it into words. They want you to put it into words. Once you put in the words, it will be converted to the image that you want. So guys, let me put into words the 3D cartoon image that I have in my mind, and for me to do that, I have to tap on where it is written enter prompt. You can see what is written there. What do you want to create? Let me zoom in a little bit so guys can see it. So let me tap on it. Let me type in what I want. I want a cute and adorable cartoon. Cute and adorable cartoon. I also want it to be a GD2 drawing. And I also want the cartoon to be a boy, so let me write cartoon boy. You can decide to put it cartoon girl, whichever one that you want. And I want it to be render octane. I also want the image to include fantasy, so let me type in fantasy. And I also want the image to be realistic. I also want the image to be generated in 8K resolution. I need a very high quality, so let me input 8K. And lastly, I want it to be rendered by an artist called Bensinski. So let me type it in. So guys can see now I've been able to describe the cartoon image that I want in words. You can see it, a cute and adorable cartoon, GD2 drawing, cartoon boy, rendered octane, fantasy, realistic figure, 8K, rendered by Benzinski. So guys, this is what I want of my 3D cartoon image. So guys, once you're done inputting your prompt, once you're done describing the image that you have in your mind, what you have to do next now is to tap on tags. You can see tags there, the arrow is pointing at it. Tags will help you to describe the image that you have in your mind, that imagination that you have in your mind, that cartoon image that you have in your mind. These tags will help you describe and generate that image. So let me tap on it. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see here under the tag keywords, we have so many options. The first one is popular. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You can see there. The second one is quality. You can see the arrow pointing at it. While the third one is styles. You can see the arrow pointing at it. The fourth one is colors. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You can see it there. So let me slide to the left right away. So guys can see the fifth one is artist. You can see it there. While the sixth one, which is the last one, is smooth. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, now you can see that we have so many features under these tag keywords. You can see. So guys, let me go back to the popular. Under the popular, you can see we have so many features here you can choose from. You can see there are so many features here. The first one is enchanting forest part. In case you want forest to appear in your picture, in the image that is going to be generated, what you have to do is to tap on the first one. You can see the second one, vibrant city skyline. So if you want the city kind of image, what you have to do is to choose the second one. So guys can see here we have so many options. So let me go ahead to choose the ones that I want. Let me choose enchanting forest part. Let me choose sun-kissed beach scene. Let me choose starry night sky. Let me also choose peaceful river bank. Let me choose majestic wildlife safari. Which am I going to choose again? So guys, that's it with the popular. Let's go back to the quality section. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys can see here we have so many features that you can use under the quality. You can see the first one, high definition. In case you need a high definition image, you have to choose it. So let me choose it. You can see the second one, premium image, superior, professional, flawless, exquisite, craftsmanship, high end. So guys can see we have so many features under the quality. What you have to do is to choose the features that you want. So let me go ahead to choose what I want. Let me choose mesmerizing. Let me choose captivating. Let me choose, you can see 3D modeling over there. You can see 3D modeling. Let me choose 3D modeling. So guys, once you're done with the quality, go over to the styles. You can see the styles section there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the styles now, you can see we have so many features. You can see there we have street art, we have still life, we have abstract, we have wildlife, we have nature, we have architecture, we have character design. So guys, we have so many features that you can use. Just go ahead to choose the one that you want. We have underwater, we have botanical, we have celestial. So guys, let me choose the one that I want. Let me choose character design. Let me choose comic book. Let me choose street art. So guys, once you're done choosing your style, let me go over to the color section. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see here we have so many color features. We have metallic, we have gradient, we have vibrant, we have earth tone, we have moss green. You can see here we have so many features. What you have to do is to choose the ones that you want. So guys, once you're done choosing your color, you have to go over to the artist. Let me tap on the artist section. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see here now we have so many popular artists right here. Whichever artist that you know and you like their paintings and your drawing. So guys, what you have to do is to go ahead to select the artist that you want. So guys, let me go over to the next one now, which is smooth. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see here under the mood we have so many features. The first one is serene, the second one is vibrant, mysterious, tranquil, captivating, luminous, mystical, peace, soothing. So guys, what you have to do is to choose the features that you want. You can see mesmerizing, breathtaking, whatever feature that you want, just go ahead to choose it. So guys, once you're done with this now, what you have to do is to tap on update keywords. You can see it there, you can see the arrow pointing at it. Once you tap on it, all these keywords, all these tags that you've chosen will be added to your description, will be added to your prompt. Once you're generating your image, these tags will be used to generate your image. So guys, while you're choosing your tags and your keywords, they're going to be added up here. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. That's where they're going to be added. You can see it. These are the tags that I've chosen. You can see it here. You can see it here. So guys, once you're done choosing it now, all you have to do is to tap. So guys, once you're done choosing it now, all you have to do is to tap on update keywords. You can see it down below. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see there I've chosen 29 tags and keywords. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me zoom in a little bit. So guys, can see it. So guys, once you're done entering your prompt and once you're done choosing your tags, the next step that you have to take now is to choose your model and your style. You can see then on my left I have the model, on my right I have the style. So let me tap on the left option, which is the model. Let me tap on it. So guys, can see here they are asking us to select a model. As you can see, we have so many models that you can choose from. There are so many cartoon models here that you can choose from. What you have to do is to choose the model that you want. You can see we have so many models here. So guys, let me choose a model right away. Let me choose this one over here, this V3. You can see, let me choose that. So guys, once you're done choosing your model, all you have to do is to go out of this place. So let me cancel out of this place. So guys, the next step now to take is to choose your style. You can see on the right side the arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do is to tap on the style option. Let me tap on it. So guys, can see here they say select a style. As you can see now, we have so many styles here. There are so many styles that you can choose from. There are so many cartoon styles that you can select from. What you have to do is to choose the one that you want. So let me choose the one that I want. So let me select Disney. Which am I going to select again? Which one am I going to select? So guys, all you have to do is to select the styles that you want. Once you're done selecting your styles, then cancel out of here. So guys, the next step to take now is to choose your aspect ratio. As you can see here, we have so many aspect ratios to choose from. We have 9:16, 1:1, 4:3, but I'm taking 1:1. So guys, once you're done choosing all of this, the next step now you have to take now, which is the most important step, is to tap on the generate icon. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Once you tap on it now, you're going to see an ad. The ad will only last for 10 to 30 seconds, then your AI cartoon image will be generated. So guys, the ad is appearing because you're actually using this app for free. So guys, once you tap on it now, you're going to see an ad. So let me tap on it so you see what I'm talking about. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, can see AI analyzing prompt, creating beautiful artworks.
My connections. Norton Secure VPN is part.
So guys, you can see this is the ad and this is the 30 seconds ad. Let's just wait till the ad gets done, then our AI image will be out. Let's wait. Wow guys, this is so cute and adorable. So guys, you can see the AI image, you can see the cartoon 3D image that this app has generated for us. So guys, you can see there, for you to actually save this now, what you have to do is to tap on the save icon at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see downloading image. You can see now the image has been saved into our phone's gallery. So let me tap on done. So guys, want to generate more 3D cartoon images using this prompt that you've imputed, what you have to do is to tap on the generate more icon. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it so it generates more for me. Then let me tap on generate again. You can see it down there. So guys can see AI is analyzing prompts. This is yet another ad. Let's just wait for it to get done. Wow guys can see this is so awesome. This is the second image. Let me go over to the first one. So guys can see the first image. Wow, this is the second one. So guys, this is so awesome. So guys, in case you love what this AI app is giving to you and you want to create something similar, maybe you want to create something similar that was just created for you now, what you have to do is to tap on variate. You can see the variate option there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then tap on variate. So guys, this is yet another ad. Let's just wait for it to get done. Wow guys, you can see it has created something similar to the one we just created a while ago. You can see the second one we created. You can see this third one, which is the variant of this one we just created. So guys, let's go over now to the second method, which is the easy method. Let me cancel out of this. Let me discard. So guys, for you to use the second method, which is the easy method, that means you have to use the template that was created by this app. This app has generated for us templates that we can use to generate 3D cartoon images. So guys, let's scroll downwards now. We're going to find the templates. So guys can see the templates over here. You can see we have several templates that you can use to create your cartoon images. You can see so many of them. What you have to do is to choose the one that you want. Once you choose the one that you want, your cartoon image will be created right away. The good thing this template does for you is that you don't need to add your prompt. This template has already generated prompts for you. You don't need to crack your head trying to describe what you have in your mind. You don't need to type in words to describe the image that you want this app to generate for you. This app has already done the work by giving you templates. So guys, now let's go ahead now to choose one of the templates. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is. So let me tap on this one right here. You can see it here. So guys, you can see the prompt has already been generated. There's no need for you typing it in. You can see it there. Fantasy, mushroom, girl, forest, 8K, beautiful, perfect, high quality, high detail, GD2 drawing, cute, beauty, pretty face. So guys, what you have to do now for you to use this template is to tap on where it is written try this. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see the prompt there. It has been entered. You can see there at the top the arrow is pointing at it. You can see it. So you don't need to impute any prompt. You don't need to crack your head to type in any prompt. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on generate. You can see generate down there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see AI is analyzing prompt. And you can see this is also an ad again. So let's just wait till it gets done. Wow guys, this is so cute, this is so beautiful. So guys, this is how you can actually use the templates in this app to actually generate 3D cartoon images for yourself. So guys can see here, you can also tap on where it is written generate more to generate more cartoon images like this one. So guys can also edit the prompts down there. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. You can see the edit icon there. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now this is where you're going to edit the prompt. So let me change this mushroom girl now to mushroom boy. I want the image to be a boy. I want the cartoon image to be a boy and no longer a girl. So let me change it now. So guys, you can see I've effected it. Then let me tap on generate. This is also an ad. Let us wait for it to get done. Wow guys, this is so beautiful, this is so cute. So guys, you can see now this is now a boy. The former one was a girl. You can see the former one over here. This is the first one that we generated. This is a girl, while this is a boy. So guys, now you can see this is how you can actually use this template to generate 3D cartoon images for you. So guys, what you have to do now is to go ahead to save it. So let me tap on the save icon at the top. Let me tap on download. So guys can see it has been done. So let me save this one as well. Let me save this one right away. So guys can see it has been saved. So guys, now I've been able to show you guys the two methods that you can use to generate your 3D cartoon images. So guys, just go ahead now to use whichever method that you want to use. Whichever one that you use is going to give you a required result. So guys, now I've been able to show you guys how you can be able to use this app like a pro, how you can be able to use this app like a professional to generate 3D cartoon images. So guys, now if you need this app, what you have to do now is to go over to your Play Store or you go over to your App Store. In case you're using an iPhone, then you search for Imagine AI Art Generator. Imagine AI Art Generator. So guys, let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android phone. Let me go over to my Play Store right away. So let me tap on the search icon at the top. Then let me search for Imagine AI Art Generator. So guys, you can see the app there. You can see it. That's the fourth option from the top. So let me tap on it so you see it clearly. So guys, you can see that's the logo of the app, Imagine AI Art Generator. So guys, what you have to do now is to download and install this app into your phone. Once you do that, you'll be able to use this app for free. And there's something I want you to know. This app is a free app. Though when you open the app for the first time, you're going to see an interface telling you to subscribe to the app. You don't have to do that. You don't have to pay any dime to subscribe if you don't want to. You can go ahead to use the free mode. This video tutorial I just made now was made from the free version. The free version has a lot of features that you can use to generate any kind of AI image, any kind of cartoon image that you want. The only reason that you would want to pay for this app is if you actually want the pro version. The pro version has advanced features that you will use. So guys, that's it. And before you download, you can go ahead to look about this app. This app has a review of 4.5, which means people are actually saying good things about it. And let me scroll to the left, and you can see it has a downloads of 5 million. That means over 5 million persons have downloaded this app and they are using it, and it's giving them their required result. You can go ahead to tap on about this app. You can see where it is written, so let me tap on it. So guys, can see how we have so many informations about this app. Let me get to read the first sentence. You can see turn words into stunning AI generated art, paintings and drawings instantly. So guys, can go ahead now to read all of this if you have the time. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.